One of the most annoying features on your iPhone is if you accidentally turn on voiceover. Essentially what this means is it will talk out loud every single thing that you do and how you normally navigate through things by tapping and swiping. They all work differently. So if you find that this is turned on, I'm going to walk you through some steps to be able to turn that off so you don't need to worry about it anymore. So you can see I have it turned on. If I tap on something, you can see it starts to talk and then it swipes down. Essentially, I need to get out of whatever app that I'm currently in, and we need to go to your settings to turn this off. So to get out of the current app, you're going to take your finger from the bottom and swipe up. And keep in mind, you might need to do this a couple times. All right, now we have swiped out of there. I'm going to tap on the Settings app on my iPhone, and you can see it first just selects it. And then I need to tap it twice to open it up. And here I'm in VoiceOver. Let me go back to the beginning so that you can see where I go to get there. When you're in the settings, all you're going to do is use your 3 fingers to swipe up and down. So you can see if I use 3 fingers, it will scroll a bit up and down, or it should. Sometimes it doesn't register. Again, it's really annoying. And then tap on accessibility once, and then double tap on it. And then tap on voiceover once, and then double tap on it. Let's try that again. And then finally there is voiceover, just double tap. And finally, we have disabled voiceover. Now, this is a lot to basically manage, and if you're not able to do that, there's a second option to be able to disable voiceover. All we need to do, let's turn this back on, is I'm going to press and hold on this side button, turn off voiceover. And just like that, Siri will also turn off voiceover. So you can either just navigate to it manually, or you can have Siri disable voiceover if it's talking out loud with everything that you do. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.